Kurumjari, we are here at Ima Market and I get to show my girls the true beauty and culture of Ima Market. I'm so excited to show them around. This market is full of women. It's run by women. There's no one man in the market. So I think we're gonna have to buy 2 of those because they're nicer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give you one as well. Mama, ani katang nabjag yabra.
For introducing us to traditional Manipuri wear. It's so beautiful and comfortable, and
I'm so thankful you guys like it. Hagachari, Mama.